Hello guys, welcome to our channel Programmers. Today we are going to discuss how we are going to find the pre-order, post-order and in-order of a given binary tree. So before we proceed, kindly like and subscribe my channel. So let's start. As you can see that we are given a binary tree over here. Here 8 is the parent node and 3 and 10 is its child node. As you can see, the binary tree is perfectly balanced as the node which is smaller is on the left side and the one that is greater is on the right side. So in order to find the pre-order first, we are gonna make dummy nodes with the nodes who have no child. As you can see, one over here has no left or right child. So just make a dummy node over here. As do not write anything over here. You also don't have to make the circles, but if you want to differentiate in case that you don't forget, you can make circles as well. Same is with 4, with 7, with 13. And in case of 14, you can see that we have a left child. So we're just going to make a right dummy node. Start with 8. The node which we're going to visit only once is will come in the pre-order. We will also find the in-order. And one interesting fact that in order is also a sorted array. So in case you're gonna find the in order of let us suppose A B C D E F. So it's just gonna come as A B C D E F. So it is gonna come as a sorted array. And the parent node is gonna be in the center in case of in order. We are also gonna find the post order. So in case of pre-order, let's proceed. We're going to start with 8. So we are going to write 8 over here. Then come to 3. Then we are going to visit 1. From 1, we will go again to 1. Because we have a dummy node over here and the dummy node belongs to 1. So when we are visiting a node, second time we are going to write it in the in order. Okay, so we are going to write 1 in order. Again, you can see that we have no node over here. We are again going to visit 1. So if you are visiting a node third time, we are going to write it in post order. So we will write 1 over here. Then again we are standing on 1. Now let's visit the right node of the parent, that was 3, that is 6. We are visiting 6 for the first time. We are going to write it in pre-order. Next from 6 we are going to go to 4 and we are visiting 4 for the first time. So 4 is going to come in the pre-order as well. From 4 we have a dummy node over here. We do not have any node with any number. So we will again visit 4 and that 4 will come in order. Again we have a dummy node on 4. So we will again stand on 4 and we are visiting 4. Because we are visiting 4 for the third time, so we are going to write it in the post order. Then we are visiting 6. 6 we are visiting for the second time. So that is going to come in the in order. From 6 we are going to visit 7 for the first time. That is our pre-order. 7 has, this is the first dummy node of 7 in order. Second dummy node which is third time visiting 7. So this is going to come in the post order. From 7 we are going to visit 6. 6 we have visited in pre-order for the first time, in order for the second time. Now we are going to visit 6 for the third time. So that is going to come in the post order. From 6 we are going to visit 3. So we have visited 3 for the first time in pre-order. So now we are going to visit it for the second time in order. From 3 we are going to visit 8. Now from 3 we are going to visit 8. As you can see, we have visited 8 only for the first time in pre-order. We are going to visit 8 for the second time in order. So we are going to write 8 over here. And one thing that you have to keep in your mind, that we started our journey from 8. So we have to finish all the nodes as well as their dummy node and then return after visiting each and every node to 8. So we are going to start from 8 and end towards 8 and end in 8 as well. Okay. So from 8 we are going to go towards 10. We are visiting 10 for the first time. So we are going to write it in pre-order. Then we are visiting 14 for the first time. That is also going to come in pre-order. From 14 we are visiting 13. Then from 13, you can see that we have a dummy node over here. So we are visiting 13 for the second time. So that is going to come in order. Over here, we are visiting 13 for the second time because of the dummy node. And we are visiting 13 for the third time because of the second dummy node. So that is going to come in the post order. From 13, we are going to visit 14 for the second time. Then from 14, we're going to visit this dummy node of 14 for the third time. From 14, we're going to visit 10 for the second time. And from 10, we're going to end our journey on 8. So you can see, as I told, that the parent node, which was 8 over here, always comes in center in the in order. Okay, and we have completed our in order, pre order, and post order. In order to summarize this, I will. So, as we have seen that in order to evaluate the pre-order, in-order and post-order of a sorted binary array that is completely balanced, we are first going to make dummy nodes on the parent nodes which do not have any child, either be it on the left or right sides. We're going to make the dummy nodes for each parent and child, as we did in 14 and 1, 6 and so on. And then we're going to visit starting from the first parent node, and we're going to end after visiting all the parent node on 8 as well. So this was all from our video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.